Watch this. We're making a 45-degree L through the concrete wall there like we have. Get pieces, see if they fit. Because it's...
Yeah.
Bought 2 more of those collars. Locking collars. Okay. On the end here. Coming in.
Okay.
So we don't freeze these.
That makes
so
sense.
now, we need to...
Okay. Okay.
Oopsie. There.
9 3/4. Okay.
Yep. Cut a piece of 9 3/4.
Yep. What do you mean you messed up? I don't.
It may line up. So we have to check to see if they're going to line up. They basically make one out of steel. And I'll put one in the pipe.
Okay.
And then when it's closed, it keeps the cold air from coming in all the way. Okay. Let's see if this is halfway. So. We can have an inch off. And we can still... Double check here. That should go an inch. On that side, it's only 10 inches.
Okay.
So that means